Hi guys, welcome to IT Expert again. In today's video we'll cover how to add, manage, import and export contacts and create groups in Outlook. We start with adding a contact from an open email. Right-click on the name and select Add to Outlook Contacts. Then the contact menu will be populated with name and email. Just add the missing details, save and close to finalize the contact menu. Now we add a contact from scratch, selecting People from the navigation bar, then New Contact, and the contact menu appears. Now we need to add all the contact info, including name, email address, any other details, then save and close. There you go. When we email the same group of people, often we can create a contact group. Select People on the navigation bar, then the New Contact drop-down, select Contact Group, and write the group's name in the box. Then we can start adding people using Add Members from Outlook Contacts. Select from Outlook Contact or from Address Book. Double-click a contact to add them to the group. To select multiple contacts, hold down the Control key. Once you've selected the contacts you need, press the Members button to add them. Also, you can add existing groups into the new group, or even select a different address books from where to add the contacts, selecting them and pressing the Members button to add them OK to finalize the group. Sometimes we need to remove a member, so we select their name, then we click the Remove Member icon. When you're finished with your group, select Save and Close. Your new group appears in your contacts. So when you send an email, you'll find your groups just like other contacts. Let's see how to import contacts from Gmail. In step 1 we go to the Gmail contacts page, and select Export. Select Contacts Outlook CSV Export and press Export, and you now have a CSV file with the contact details that Outlook can import. However, Gmail doesn't export contact photos. By opening this file in Excel, we can clean up the data, remove duplicates to have better import. In step 2, we import the contacts in Outlook. Select File, then Open and Export, and then Import, Export. In the wizard, select Import from another program or file, and then select Next, then the comma-separated values option and click Next. Select Browse, and using the File Explorer, search for the CSV file containing the exported contact details. Choose how you want to handle duplicates, then select Next. Select the main contacts folder on the top as your destination, then next, select Map Custom Fields, and you'll see a list of the fields from your CSV file on the left, and a list of fields Outlook supports on the right. The wizard has guessed where certain fields go, but you can change or add fields by dragging them from the list on the left to the appropriate field on the right. Also, if you would like to map them differently or want to start the mapping over, select the Clear Map button. When you're done mapping fields, select OK, then Finish to finalize. Once done, you can see the imported data by selecting the contacts icon again. Now let's see how to export contacts to another email app. Select File, then Open and Export, and then Import, Export. Select Export to a file, then Next, then select the comma-separated values option and Next again. Now we need to select the folder containing the contacts you want to export, which is usually the main contact folder icon at the top. Select Next. Select Browse, choose where to save it, type the name for the CSV file containing the contacts, verify the folder, press OK, then Next, and Finish to export. This CSV file can be opened in Excel or another spreadsheet program. Before importing the contacts into the new email program, it's best to check and edit the data, removing any duplicate. And there you go. Follow us for more and write on the comments if you have any special requests. If you like this video, please hit the thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel and click the notification bell. Thank you.